This is how to fix Spider-Man Remastered. Something went wrong. For the first step, I recommend going to the Windows taskbar and click on this upside arrow. After that, if you do find the Steam icon running or appearing, right click on it and select Exit Steam. Next, go to the search and type in Task Manager. Open that as well. Once done, I want you to go to the search and type in Steam again. If you still find it appearing, it means that it did not close in the background, so make sure to right click on it if you do find it, and then select End Task in order to terminate it. Next, I want you to go to your browser and type in exactly like this Spider-Man Remastered server status. Select the first option. Now, by that you will ensure that the issue is definitely on your end or not. So all system operational, no issues detected, system running smoothly. It means that their servers are working and there are no issues reported in the last 24 hours. So what I recommend to do is to go to the Windows icon. After that, go to settings. Now you need to go to Windows Update, and I want you to download the latest updates. Make sure to install all the failed or stuck updates to prevent any issue from happening. So go to update history, deselect the first two options. You can either uninstall any suspicious or stuck update or select recovery. Select reinstall now, but before that you can select the first option. Select other troubleshooters next. After that you can see if this run button works and the issue is solved. Otherwise you need to relaunch the game launcher again. To that, go to the view option, top left corner, and select library. Look for Spider-Man Remastered. It must be installed in order for this to work, and then click on this minus or gear icon. Click on properties. After that, go to installed files and click verify integrity of game files. By that you ensure that any missing or corrupted files that is possibly causing the error is unknown for now will be automatically fixed. Any file will be downloaded, so don't panic. Once you do that, you can safely reset your computer and see if the issue is fixed.